to episode number 62 of Adventures in Welding. Today we're going to finish up what we didn't finish up in our last episode, which is a build-up on a piece. What we've got here is a 6-inch by 1-inch piece of 1/4-inch mild steel. And what we're going to do is just a build-up weld along the edge. Now I've already done one layer here, and I'm going to bring it close so you can see it. I've laid down about a 1/16 of an inch bead along there. And we're going to continue that to add about a 1/4 inch on here. That'll be our measurement that's required for this job. Now, one of the first things you have to do is decide how you're going to hold this. First thing that comes to mind is a welding magnet. It'll work, but you're going to have arc blow. That magnet is going to draw the arc to it, which is going to cause problems. Best bet, clamp it in a vise. But this is thick enough that I can just sit it right here. So we'll do it like that. Got a 3/32 thoriated, but you can use lanthanated, serrated, whatever you like. Sharpen to a point, then have the point flatten. I'm using 3/32 ER70 S2 filler metal. We're simply going to be running a bead and dipping as we go. You can also do this with the lay wire technique. We'll try both. Going to be welding this today with the EASTWOOD TIG 200 DC mode with our top power set to about 120 amps. I doubt we'll use that much, but it's always nice to have it there if we need it. So I'll get my gear on and we'll get started. Guys, again, I'd just like to say thanks for watching the channel, commenting and subscribing. And one thing I do need to say is, like I said, I'm just a student. I'm like a home welder like you guys. I know my welds aren't perfect. So if you're a 40+ year welder and got nothing better to do than cruise YouTube and tell people how bad their welds look, more power to you. But I'm having fun, and I hope you guys have fun watching my my little show. That being said, let's weld. One of the best things about TIG welding is if you get uncomfortable or if you get out of position, you can stop, you can readjust, and you can get right back into it. Wait a second here. Let's see if I can get some good arc shots. This is more difficult than it seems, so give me a second to get situated. Well, there you have it, folks. A nice 1/4 inch edge buildup. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. You just want to make sure your puddle flows to the edges so that you're covering the entire piece, the entire top of what you're welding. So everything is nice and even, nice and flush. Now this can be sand, machine, whatever you need to do to complete your project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.